Project number 12, Efficient Storage Handling System Overview. Hello everyone. The system shown in the figure on the right has two conveyors and two proximity sensors. When the start button is pressed, M1 and M2 move boxes in and out of storage. Sensor I2 detects incoming boxes. Sensor I3 detects outgoing boxes. Content of MW10 tracks the box count. When the content of boxes in the storage area reaches 9, an alarm light turns on. And when the number reaches 10 boxes, M1 stops and restarts when the count drops below 7. And now, let's evaluate the prepared PLC control program together. Notice that the PLC is in off mode and memory locations related to sensor 1 and 2 show 0. I go ahead and turn on the simulation of the program by tapping on Run Program button. Notice that also storage area shows 0 boxes. I go ahead and start the program for execution. And go ahead also activate the sensor number 1. Notice that both sensors content related to the memory locations of the sensors show 0, and also program is running. I go ahead and activate both sensors. And also I would like to see how many boxes are gonna be inside the storage area. So notice that by activating sensor number 1, to get the total number of the boxes into the storage area to number 8. And the number of the boxes right now going out of the storage area has reached to number 5. Now I increase the number of boxes inside the storage area by tapping on first sensor to 6 to this point, and I continue. And notice that because it is less than 10, right now still M1 is on, but yellow signal light is on. When the content of the storage box reaches to 10, M1 turns off. I cannot input any more boxes to the storage area unless I take some boxes out of it by activating the second sensor. To cause total number of the boxes in the storage area to get to 7. Right now notice because I have 7 boxes inside the storage area, M1 is turned on. And when it got to 9 and 8, the signal light, alarming signal light turned off completely. And right now M1 and M2, both of them are on. As total, right now I have activated sensor number 1 for 17 times, sensor number 2 for 9 times, and total of 8 boxes are inside the storage area. Right now M1 and M2 turned off because I activated the stop button. So in total I activated sensor number 1 for 17 times, sensor number 2 for 9 times, and so 17 boxes went inside the storage area, 9 boxes went out of it, so I have 8 boxes inside the storage area right now. In order to reset the content of these memory locations related to sensor 1 and sensor 2 and storage area, I just can go ahead and tap on memory reset button to reset the contents. The project is successfully tested on a virtual S7300 PLC using Schematic Manager software. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.